Hi friends! Have you ever wondered how animals and plants get their energy? Well, today we're going to explore something super cool called the food chain. It's like nature's recipe for passing energy from one living thing to another. From plants that soak up the sun, to animals that munch on plants, and even the big predators at the top of the chain. Everything is connected. So, grab your explorer hat and let's dive into the amazing adventure of the food chain. Every living thing needs energy to survive. The food chain shows us how energy moves from plants to animals and through nature. It all begins with the sun. Plants, called producers, use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis. They're the starting point of every food chain. Next come the primary consumers, herbivores. These are animals, like rabbits or deer, that eat plants to get their energy. After that, we have the secondary consumers, carnivores like foxes or hawks. They eat other animals to get their energy. Where do humans fit in the food chain? People are omnivores. That means we eat both plants and animals. Just like rabbits get energy from plants, and foxes get energy from other animals, humans get energy from many different foods. Every meal we eat connects us to the food chain too. Some food chains have top predators, like eagles, that don't have many natural enemies. They are called apex predators. When plants and animals die, decomposers like worms, fungi, and bacteria break them down. This returns nutrients to the soil, so new plants can grow, and the cycle begins again. The food chain keeps our world in balance. Every part matters: plants, animals, and even decomposers. Together, they create the circle of life. Let's review what we learned about the food chain. It all starts with the sun, which gives energy to plants. Plants, called producers, make their own food using sunlight. Then come the herbivores, animals that eat only plants. Next are the carnivores, animals that eat other animals. We also have omnivores, who eat both plants and animals. And don't forget the decomposers, like mushrooms and worms, who recycle everything back into the soil. Together, they make up the amazing food chain, where every living thing is connected.